got the. I didn't think I can comb her because I was afraid that I was gonna like mess it up, but you definitely have to comb it out. You have to like get you a wide tooth comb, something like this, while conditioning like this, or a brush, and just brush it out. You got to brush it out, and that's how you're gonna maintain the wig and keep it from getting all, you know, tangly and all of that great stuff. So I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna put this wig on. Y'all enjoy the rest of the video. Have a wonderful day. If you have not hit that subscribe button, y'all please hit the subscribe button. Join the gang. Gang, gang, gang. That's weird. These dry spots right here. I don't know what that is. But anyhow, hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ego Tripping. I'm back with another video. I just wanted to come to you guys real quick to do, I do believe that I showed you guys a wig in the previous video. I'll try to link it up above, but it was a 20-inch Qty curly hair. And where was she from? I'll leave the information down in the description box. I don't remember where I got her from, but anywho, I had washed it, conditioned and washed it really good because obviously I've been wearing it, and I wore it on my trip and it was dirty. So I washed it and conditioned it real good, and I'm going to place her back on, but she turned out really good. See, the thing is and this is what I didn't know as far as with like the curly wigs. When I would wash it, I wouldn't brush it out. And you have to, when you are using these units, when you buy these units, guys, you have to make sure that you take care of them. Like, you have to make sure that you take care of them, you know, wrap them back up, put them back in the little package, you know, put the tissue, use the net, you know, you use all of that. And also you have to be sure to moisturize that wig. You have to put different types of products, whatever products that you like. I have my own particular certain products that I put in my wigs, but you have to basically treat it like it's your own hair in order to maintain the wig. So I just wanted to come on here and reapply this wig. It's been weeks later, so I wanted to reapply it after I've washed it and show you guys how I reinstall my wig after the lace has been cut. So that's what I'm going to do. I hope you guys enjoy the video. And if you guys want to say something different or anything else, let me know. Put it down in the description box, and I'll get back with y'all. I'll let y'all know if I can or I can't. But more than likely I can. So yeah, I'm gonna place her on. Again, it's 20 inches, and I did bleach the knots. The knots were bleached. So that's what we finna do. But y'all have to comb y'all wigs. Anyways, y'all enjoy the video, and I'll talk to y'all later, and I'll see y'all in my next video.
ta gata, dja, dja, en katana, baby, tu l'aides ça. Oh, dja, dja, y'a pas moyen, dja, dja. J'suis pas ta gata, dja, 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 en katana, baby, tu l'aides ça. Oh, dja, dja, y'a pas moyen, dja, dja. J'suis pas ta gata, dja, 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 en katana, baby, tu l'aides ça. Oh, dja, dja, y'a pas moyen, dja, dja. J'suis pas ta gata, dja, 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 en katana, baby, tu l'aides ça. Oh, dja, dja, j'suis pas ta gata, dja, dja, y'a pas moyen, dja, dja, ouais, en katana, baby, tu l'aides ça. Oh, dja, dja, j'suis pas ta gata, dja, dja, y'a pas moyen, dja, dja, ouais, en katana, baby, tu l'aides ça, dans le club. En katana, baby, tu l'aides ça. En katana, baby, en katana, baby, tu l'aides ça. En katana, baby, oh, dja, dja, oh, dja, dja, oh, dja, dja. Oh, dja, dja, y'a pas moyen, dja, dja. J'suis pas ta gata, dja, 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 en katana, baby, tu l'aides ça. Oh, dja, dja, y'a pas moyen, dja, dja. J'suis pas ta gata, dja, 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 en katana, baby, tu l'aides ça. Oh, dja, dja, y'a pas moyen, dja, dja. J'suis pas ta gata, dja, 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 en katana, baby, tu l'aides ça. Oh, dja, dja, y'a pas moyen, dja, dja. J'suis pas ta gata, dja, 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 en katana, baby, tu l'aides ça. Oh, dja, dja, j'suis pas ta gata, dja, dja, y'a pas moyen, dja, dja, ouais, en katana, baby, tu l'aides ça. Oh, dja, dja, j'suis pas ta gata, dja, dja, y'a pas moyen, dja, dja, ouais, en katana, baby, tu l'aides ça, dans le club. En katana, baby, tu l'aides ça. En katana, baby, en katana, baby, tu l'aides ça. En katana, baby, oh, dja, dja, oh, dja, dja, oh, dja, dja. Oh, dja, dja, y'a pas moyen, dja, dja. J'suis pas ta gata, dja, 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 en katana, baby, tu l'aides ça. Oh, dja, dja, y'a pas moyen, dja, dja. J'suis pas ta gata, dja, 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 en katana, baby, tu l'aides ça. Oh, dja, dja, y'a pas moyen, dja, dja. J'suis pas ta gata, dja, 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 en katana, baby, tu l'aides ça. Oh, dja, dja, y'a pas moyen, dja, dja. J'suis pas ta gata, dja, 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 en katana, baby, tu l'aides ça. Oh, dja, dja, j'suis pas ta gata, dja, dja, y'a pas genre, encore dans la baby, tu laisses ça. Oh, dja, y'a pas moyen, dja, c'est pas ta cata, dja, genre, encore dans la baby, tu laisses ça. Oh, dja, y'a pas moyen, dja, c'est pas ta cata, dja, genre, encore dans la baby, tu laisses ça. Oh, dja, y'a pas moyen, dja, j'suis pas ta cata, dja, genre, encore dans la baby, tu laisses ça. Oh, dja, j'suis pas ta cata, dja, y'a pas moyen, dja, ouais, encore dans la baby, tu laisses ça. Oh, dja, j'suis pas ta cata, dja, y'a pas moyen, dja, ouais, encore dans la baby, tu laisses ça dans le club. Encore dans la baby, tu laisses ça. Encore dans la baby, encore dans la baby, tu laisses ça. Encore dans la baby, oh, that, oh, that, oh, that. Y'a pas moyen, c'est pas ta cata, genre, encore dans la baby, tu laisses ça. Oh, y'a pas moyen, c'est pas ta cata, genre, encore dans la baby, tu laisses ça. Oh, y'a pas moyen, j'suis pas ta cata, genre, encore dans la baby, tu laisses ça. Oh, y'a pas moyen, j'suis pas ta cata, genre, encore dans la baby, tu laisses ça. Oh, j'suis pas ta cata, y'a pas moyen, ouais, encore dans la baby, tu laisses ça. Oh,